Hello, my name is Lauren, and I work on the client success team at Intrinio. And today I'm going to show you how to download data into Excel. So the first thing you're going to do is just make sure you're logged into your account at intrinio.com. And if you do have any questions on how to make an account or how to log in, just feel free to reach out to our live chat on the bottom here. So you'll first go to the documentation tab and then switch over to the CSV documentation. I'm going to show you how to call a pretty popular endpoint here, which will be our securities prices. And this will return professional grade historical stock prices for a security or stock market index. And the historical prices are available back to 1996 or the IPO date. Your parameters are going to be right here, which you will need in order to make an API call. You can scroll through these and see all of the available parameters. And the output fields are going to be right here. And the outputs are going to be the result of your query. The sample data will be right down here for you, so you can either just view the sample here, or if you'd like to switch to live data, you can switch the identifier, start date, end date, frequency, and a few other fields as well. If you execute the call, it will pull the results for you. And then you can easily just download this into a CSV file. I've already pulled the CSV for you to view, and you will see all of the API call here. And then if you did have any questions about this video, please feel free to reach out. And thank you so much. Have a great day.